Florida's rainy season brings refreshing showers and lush greenery, but it can also bring challenges for homeowners. In Middleburg, where heavy rainfall and humidity are a seasonal norm, older or inefficient windows can make your home feel damp, drafty, or uncomfortable. Water leaks, foggy glass, and poor insulation often become more noticeable during these months. That's why window replacement is one of the best investments you can make before or during Florida's wet season. Upgrading to modern, weather-resistant windows enhances comfort, protects your home from moisture, and improves energy efficiency, no matter how hard it rains. Here's how replacing your windows can help you stay comfortable, dry, and worry-free during Middleburg's rainy season. Sealing out moisture and preventing leaks. Heavy rain combined with wind can force moisture through tiny gaps or cracks around older window frames. Over time, this leads to water damage, peeling paint, and even mold growth. New, professionally installed windows are designed to seal out rainwater completely, preventing leaks that can compromise your home's structure and indoor air quality. Modern replacement windows use advanced sealing systems, including multiple weather-stripping layers, welded frames, and reinforced corners that create a tight, waterproof barrier. When installed by professionals familiar with Florida's humid climate, these windows offer lasting protection from seasonal storms. Reducing humidity and condensation. During Middleburg's rainy months, high humidity levels can lead to excess moisture inside your home, often visible as condensation on windows. This can make rooms feel clammy and uncomfortable, and in some cases, lead to mildew growth on sills or walls. New energy-efficient windows help control humidity and reduce condensation by using double or triple pane glass with argon gas insulation. These layers minimize temperature differences between indoor and outdoor air, reducing the buildup of moisture on the glass. The result? A cleaner, drier, and more comfortable home, even on the muggiest Florida days. Enhancing temperature control and energy efficiency. When storms roll in, Florida homes often experience fluctuating indoor temperatures due to air leaks and poor insulation. Older windows may let warm, humid air seep in while allowing cool, conditioned air to escape. Energy-efficient replacement windows solve this problem with insulated frames and low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect heat. This means your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a consistent temperature, even when humidity outside spikes. With better insulation and reduced energy waste, homeowners can enjoy steady indoor comfort and lower utility bills throughout the season. Improving soundproofing during heavy rain. Florida's rainy season doesn't just bring water, it brings noise. The sound of heavy rainfall, thunder, and wind can be disruptive, especially at night. Modern replacement windows with laminated or insulated glass significantly reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. For Middleburg residents who live near busy roads or open areas where rain sounds are amplified, soundproof windows make a noticeable difference in comfort and relaxation during stormy weather. Protecting against storm winds and debris. Middleburg's rainy season occasionally brings severe weather, including tropical storms. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows provides an added layer of protection against flying debris and strong wind pressure. Impact windows use laminated glass that stays intact even if struck, preventing breakage, leaks, and potential injury. Beyond safety, they also offer better insulation and UV protection, making them a smart long-term investment for Florida homeowners. Adding natural light without the drafts. Even during cloudy, rainy days, natural light makes a big difference in your home's atmosphere. Modern replacement windows are designed to maximize light while maintaining weatherproof insulation. You'll enjoy bright, airy rooms without worrying about drafts or moisture sneaking in. For homeowners in Middleburg, options like casement, awning, or picture windows can bring in more daylight while providing tight seals and easy operation, perfect for both comfort and curb appeal. Professional installation ensures long-term performance. To get the full benefits of new windows, professional installation is key. Experts ensure precise fitting, proper caulking, and weatherproof sealing, essential for keeping moisture and air leaks out during Florida's rainy months. With experienced local installers, you can rest assured your windows are built and installed to handle Middleburg's unique climate conditions for years to come. Final thoughts during Florida's rainy season. Comfort depends on how well your home stands up to moisture, humidity, and changing weather. Replacing your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance that comfort while improving energy efficiency and protecting your home from the elements. From leak prevention and humidity control to better insulation and quieter living, modern windows help Middleburg homeowners enjoy every season, rain or shine, in complete comfort.